UPS alert? What do you mean UPS alert? Bless you, I can't believe you just sneezed and I was like right in front of you.
You were like,
what? Not all the time.
Oh.
Oh, there we are, we've got someone. A level 101.
Don't you? They're always really good.
No, it just means they've played a lot, doesn't mean they're good.
Just blowing your nose into the mic. Re-emphasising that you're very ill today.
And I've been
Alright.
really bad.
Make sure you pick your Karuma.
Yeah.
What do we have to do? No, I don't want to sneeze.
We pose at cops.
Pose at
and we have to. That's cool because we'll be flipping to do. We'll flick over and do some CEO stuff before the end of the stream.
Okay.
After we've done the actual highs.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Hold your breath.
That kind of sprayed everywhere. That was really loud.
I can't believe you've sprayed germs over my bed.
You're gonna be so ill. Just
What?
hide here.
Keep an eye on the map though.
Don't cops coming down here though, Reese.
Chris, if you're listening, can you set me a waypoint to where those guys are, please? I don't know what just happened. Sounded like a Yeti got into your microphone.
Hey, Yeti got you.
Nate! Hey! Welcome to the stream. Enjoy just to see that sweet flip. Yep, that's Reese driving, not me.
They're dispersing by the looks of it.
I'm guessing Chris isn't listening to you. I asked for a waypoint. Oh, I've got a waypoint.
I don't know how much of a delay there is on the stream.
So I have a waypoint. Thank you, Chris.
Reese, this is some weird driving. I can't stop sneezing.
Is this why you're sneezing all the time? Just driving.
At a time like this.
I see him.
I think I can see Chris using bullets instead of homing missiles, and he needs to use homing missiles.
Did you get that guy? He was shooting me, but I don't know where he is.
Yeah, I got. He's still not dead. Is that guy dead?
Chris, use homing missiles.
Oh my god!
Right, one of them's dead.
I'm sure he'll get what that means. Are you alright, Safe?
Yeah, I'm sneezing.
Oh, we got him. Yes, he got him.
Okay, we're good to go?
Yeah,
Is that guy
one,
dead?
there's one more guy, but I've got no idea where he is. I thought he'd be
I
up.
think he's on the roof. Actually, it looks like he's outside.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my god! That is some aggressive sneezing.
Farts. Combo farts. The art of farts. Feels bad, man. Ooh. Yeah, let's go to lift. Up. Kinks, the Kinks, that's this band, Andrew. Andrew, that's his band. Andrew, it's the band, Andrew. Thank you, Matt. Oh yeah, just jump whenever, you know, fuck. That fucked me up. Ah! Why did things keep jumping into me? Are they suicidal? I have a sword. Hey! And we die by spikes. Dying.